No, you're not bringing home another piece of junk.
Hey everybody, so this part of this video, what I wanted to show you how to do is to build a little fake out circuit for your secondary O2 sensors if you're doing the Ford 4.6 swap. Now this came out of a 96 Lincoln Town Car, and one of the things, and this is a 59 Ford wagon. So one of the things I want to do is eliminate that secondary O2 sensor in so there's a few ways you can do it. You can take it out of the programming if you got a programmer. You can buy a little fake out circuit. I think they're $100 or so for a couple of them, or you can make it for next to nothing. So that's what we're gonna do. So let me set my camera up here and I'll show you how we do this. Where did I put my solder? Okay. Oh, there's another roll right there. So, let me adjust this. All right, so here's what the couple of things you need. So this is the pigtail off of a Bosch O2 sensor. And you got 4 wires here. You got 2 whites. You got a gray and a black. So your 2 whites are your heater circuit. Your gray and your black are your signal circuit. So we're just going to do this little pigtail. And so here's what I did. I stripped the heater wires back just a little bit, and I stripped the signal wires back longer, and I'll show you why in a minute. So let's do the heater side first. So what you need for the heater side is a 50 ohm 12 watt resistor, and this is going to serve as your little fake heater for the circuit. And what we're going to do is wrap these guys on here, and if you can see, I kind of got some little pieces of heat shrink cut already and got those on there. So we're going to solder this guy on first. This El Cheapo solder gun will do anything here. There it goes. It's just not a great solder gun. I bought this thing. It's a Weller. It should be a good one. Kind of shaky from my half a pot of coffee this morning. Come on now. There we go. Better soldering iron. Yeah. All right. That's one side. Now we'll do this other side. solder gun is not very good. Definitely need a better one. Now it's going. Okay. Alright, so that is the heater side of the circuit. Ooh, a sharp edge there. So now we'll just slide this heat shrink up over that. That's your heater side. Now on your signal side, we've got to do two things. First thing we're going to do is we got this little 1 microfarad capacitor. And we're going to solder it on the end of this thing. Metal to sit on. Let's try this other electrical solder. Maybe that solder is just not very good. Oh yeah, this stuff good. Alright, throw away the Chinese solder. That's one side. Now we're going to do this side. Slide our heat shrink up over that, and I left this extra long, and I'll show the strip part. I'll show you why in a second. Now you need, this is a 1 million ohm resistor, or 1 mega ohm resistor, and we're going to solder that back here and jump across these two. And I'll probably have to insulate this with some tape. Okay. That's much better. Okay. So that circuit right there will fake out your secondary O2 sensors. So you've got, once again, 50 ohm 12 watt resistor on the heater circuit, 1 microfarad capacitor, 1 mega ohm resistor, and that'll do it for you. So hope you find that little fix useful. And now back to the other video.